Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Porsche Cayenne key battery. First, gather your materials: a new CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver. This simple task takes only a few minutes and can save you a trip to the dealership. Keeping your key fob powered ensures reliable access to your vehicle. Let's get started with this easy, do-it-yourself method. To begin, find the small release button on the side of your key fob and press it. This will allow you to slide out the physical key blade. Once the blade is removed, you'll see a small slot inside the opening. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. Gently twist the screwdriver to pry open the two halves of the key fob. Now that the key fob is open, observe how the old battery is positioned. The positive, or plus, side typically faces upwards. Use your screwdriver to carefully pry out the old CR2032 battery. Be gentle to avoid damaging the contacts. Take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. With the new battery in place, carefully align the two halves of the key fob and press them firmly together until they click securely. Then, slide the physical key blade back into its slot until it locks. Test your key fob to ensure it's working correctly. You've successfully replaced your Porsche Cayenne key battery. For a fresh car scent, check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.